original. So we are not selling any kind of fake dream. It's an action film. It's a roller coaster ride. One, two, three, four play raw agents in the film. So as the title says right in the beginning of the film, that it's completely a coincidence if it resembles any kind of person, living or dead. So it's just at the end of the day, it's a big, wonderful action film which we managed to do. We got Thomas Struthers, who is one of the best action directors in the world. He's done films like Dark Knight, Batman Begins, Dark Knight Rises, Inception. We managed to get him. We had a lovely story written by wonderful people, and we had a ball while making the film.
How wonderfully Tom Struthers is kind of choreographed. It's great choreography. It really it's different kinds of action. There's actions that's elaborate, where you want to see each and everything that is happening. Then there's action like in D-Day, which is very, very realistic. And you see something happening, you don't know what it really is, but it's happened. And for that, it takes hours and hours of training. And we trained a lot with Tom Struthers. I wish he was here. He's really a really big backbone in this film as well. And he's given us some great skill and some great techniques of fighting, how raw agents would fight.
मैंने action बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy किया. मतलब this is the first time I've done action, and when Nikhil had called me and he narrated the subject to me, he did give me the option of playing another character in the film, but I chose to do this because I thought कि ऐसा मौका फिर नहीं मिलेगा और action करने का, and to train with Tom and to work with everyone else. It's difficult. I don't necessarily enjoy hand-to-hand combat, but it's a lot of fun.
एक सीन है जहाँ पे अर्जुन रामपाल कहता है कि तुम श्रुति हासन को कि तुम लोगों के साथ सोती हो, मैं लोगों को सुलाता हूँ. So that is the only thing that they objected to. I had to explain to them that she's playing a prostitute in Karachi from the film, to which they said that picture में ठीक है, पर ये प्रोमो में वो बहुत ही शरीफ और स्वीट लड़की दिखती है. तो if it's possible, Arjun Rampal should not be saying that. That's all they've said. There is no other problem.
Nikhil narrated the script. It was like a roller coaster ride, and my concern was whether we would be able to do the similar thing, we would be able to translate it into screen. And then, because it was very well researched script, and the kind of detailing the script had, for me it was unbelievable.
जो concept है इस फिल्म का कि ये जो raw agents हैं वो तय करते हैं कि हम लोग अंदर जाएंगे. ओके, वली खान जो इरफान का कैरेक्टर है वो 9 साल से वहाँ पर है. He's been observing the movement, और उसे लगता है कि ये सही मौका है, और वो मौका मिलते ही these 4 patriots go inside. तो एक तो patriotism जो थी in a very today manner, it's not. And also I think मुझे जो बात बहुत अच्छी लगी थी कि लोग ये जब पिक्चर देखकर बाहर निकलेंगे तो वो यही सोचेंगे कि क्या यार ऐसा हुआ है, हो सकता है, so they will come back with that question in their heads. And I think जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी, that's what was in the back of my head कि क्यों ना give it to people, कि लोग जो चाहते हैं really, अगर ऐसा हो जाए तो कितना मजा है.
I am particularly obsessed with the fact that I was 21 years old when the bomb blast happened in Mumbai, and it affected my life quite a lot, and I wanted to make a film where we could put a full stop to that particular event, and that's why this film was made.